If you look at professional binary option traders, they have a trading plan. He always studies the market. He always protects his capital. He knows when to stop trading, and he looks trading as a business. And after that, they start trading by making a strategy with the help of one or two indicators. So you must have understood what I want to say. Those who have understood, write S in the comments, and those who do not understand, write no. So today we are going to learn 15-second strategy, which is very simple. If you want, you can also use martingale strategy in this, and you cannot use this strategy on all platforms because in some platform trade has to be taken according to the clock time. So we cannot fix the time frame of the trade there. So as far as I know, pocket option, quotex and OLYMP trade is the best platform for this strategy. You don't have to use indicator in this strategy. All you need to do is do a little chart reading and a little candle analysis, which is very simple. So in this you have to set the candle time of 30 seconds and the trade time is to be 15 seconds, and that's where all your setting have been set. And one more thing, you can use this strategy in stock OTC market or currency market also. I think this strategy is better than indicator because if you take the trade at the right place in this strategy, then the chances of winning are very high. So first of all, let me tell you where you can take a trades. So first you have to add a lot of currency or stock to your watch list, and then you have to see where the market has come near the last major resistance or last major support. And if you find such currencies or stock which has come near the last major support or resistance, so you have to take 15-second entry there immediately, because if suppose the market has come near the previous main support, so from there one or two candles bounce back. Now one more question may come to your mind, that every time if the market comes near the previous main support or resistance, so will there always be one or two candles bounce backs? So the answer is no. But when you trade on the previous main support and resistance, you can win 7 to 8 out of 10 trades. So now we only have to look for support and resistance. So the answer is no. With this you can also take trades using by trend line, and some can even win trades by analyzing candlestick. Now let's see how to do all this. So when the market will appear to you in this way, then the candlestick is going to be very useful for you. So here the market is in a bullish direction, and you can look back from sometimes now the market has been behaving a bit similar, like the market goes up again after forming one or two red candles, then another two red candles are formed and then it goes up, and that's why I took entry here. So in this way you can take trades. Now we move on to the next trade. So there is no main support here, but there is a small support. So I am thinking of taking an entry here. The main support is below it. So I will take one entry here, and when the market comes near the main support, I will take two entries over there. So the market has broken this support and gone below it. So I will take a double entry on the bottom main support if the market goes that far. So the market didn't even come near the main support. The market is making a new support here. So we move on to the other currency. So there was a good entry here too, but now the market has gone down by touching the resistance. You should enter immediately when the market touches the resistance, as when the market went down from here, he took a little support here, and at the same places the market had taken resistance twice. So here was a good 15-second entry. So here is a good support because the market has gone up twice from here. So here the market can go up for 15 to 20 seconds. So here I will take an upward entry. There is a huge resistance here. I will definitely enter here. So in this way, if you take entry there after finding big resistance and big support, then your winning ratio will be increased a lot.